To open the Clipboard tool, press Windows plus V. This panel shows a history of items you have copied to your clipboard, with the most recently item at the top. Let's see this example with the help of Notepad. While copy this text, this will store in Clipboard. To check it, press Windows plus V. Select something on your clipboard by clicking it to paste it in the current application. Press Print Screen button on your keyboard. Then, check the clipboard by pressing Windows plus V. The clipboard image will appear. To paste the image, open Paint application. Then press Windows plus V. And click on the clipboard history image.